Why didn't you bring water? You say yeah.
Next time you see, I promise you. Everything you forget, you forgot. I'm sorry now. I promise you next time, okay? Very, very sure, 100%. So I said that.
You have not heard from him. Why did you ask?
No, I want to see him. I like to see him.
It's my dad.
Is it bad?
You see my dad. What for?
Surprise. Surprise visit, okay?
What is a surprise? Tell me something.
I will tell you.
You need to tell me now.
Not now. Come
You know,
on.
I hate surprises. I hate surprises. Tell me now.
Listen, not now, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I promise you I'll tell you. I like the surprise. No problem, I'll tell you, okay?
See the weather. I want to.
Your food so sweet, oh. I don't know how to cook food, oh. I don't know how to cook, oh.
Amod, why are you eating with my pot? Eh, Amod, I'm asking you, I'm eating with my pot, eh? I shall like to eat my own food. I shall like to eat my own food. Amod, what want you to do? What want him, Amod? Eh?
Which food is your own? Oh, yeah, come and take it. Let me pour you the food. Stupid mother like you.
Hey! Mama! Stupid mother.
Mama.
How can you be stupid mother? Eh? It's yours. Stupid son. Just look at him. Useless son. What do you know how to do? Nothing. Eh? Bring food, no way. How about we do this? No way. You eat and lazy about. Go and get me a wife. Marry a wife for me so that I will hit my own portion of the land. No way. Eh?
What's wrong, Mama? What's wrong?
Mama, we are here over 3 minutes now. You're not saying anything. And we are not happy. What is it?
Why would I be happy? Tell me, since you refuse to get married and get me a grandchild.
Hi! Mama.
Stop mamaing me.
Mommy, Mama, I promise to give you a child. Not only a child, but children. Okay?
Okay.
Be happy, okay? Mama. Mommy, Mama. Never. You're not happy.
Yeah.
Mama, Mama. Let's go now. Okay?
Go like you see.
How they go? I hope you are not happy. Okay. Mama, let me go get inside.
Okay, so brother, your food is on the table.
Yeah, maybe apple or better.
You're
Never.
You're waiting.
Mommy, relax.
Okay.
I promise you. Huh? If you see this girl, I like her.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see. If you can't get one, let me get for you.
Mommy,
Let me get one for you.
Mommy, no problem. Hey, Mama.
Nna, Nikem, where are you going?
Mama, I want to go and see a friend.
Have you forgotten?
Okay, Mama. Let me rush and come back.
So you're coming back?
Yeah. Mama, you are taking care of yourself for me. Don't worry, me no. Hey.
Mama said. Umeka nna ya. Nwa m na-eje o. Ị ga-adị dịka echi n'echi adịrị agwụ agwụ.
Amodi, my son. Mama. I called you here to discuss something important with you.
Okay, send it to want to say because I want to go out.
I would like you to get yourself a wife. As you can see, I'm getting old. I want to carry my grandchildren before I die. I told them to
So, at this my age, you want me to get myself a wife? How would I feel her? How?
If that is your problem, Forget about feeding her. Eh? No, Bomaki. I will see about the whole feeding.
Mama, is that the reason why you called me?
See, this issue is very, very important to me. It's very, very important. Amobi, get yourself a wife.
Mama. No, Mama. Let me tell you, I'm not getting any married. You understand? Can go kwagi Mama? 042, Bukanenubu State called. You have to go?
This house will not contain me and if you don't do it. Can you for? Mugen I say your small 402 or 204. Try and see. But no,
Mama, why are people shouting?
it's not your elder brother. It's not your elder brother.
How again, Mama?
Don't worry, you won't understand.
Mama, I can understand.
Just go inside and finish up what you're doing. This boy will get married and inherit all the lands and properties. Hey! No, this will not happen. Never happen. Hey!
Mama oh! Namo! Hey! Oh,
My son.
Mama?
Omega Naya.
Nemo! Mama, this is why you're praising me like this. I hope all is well. I hope I'm safe.
It's all well.
Okay, oh.
And you are safe.
Okay, Mama.
Have you forgotten that you'll be having a visit?
First of all, Mama. Bonum na for after Sigo.
I want to born after that.
Go. Go and get my food first before that is started.
I will get you a food. I have a surprise for you. Ify!
Surprise, Mama.
Ify, Mama,
I'm coming!
Come and greet your husband. Good afternoon. Oh, Nene. Can you enjoy? Why didn't you bring what you say? Yeah.
Next time you see, I promise you.
Everything you forget, you forgot.
I'm sorry now. I promise you next time, okay? Very, very sure, 100%. So, I said that.
You have not heard from him. Why did you ask?
I want to see you. I like to see you.
It's my dad.
Is it bad?
You see my dad. What for?
Surprise. Surprise visit, okay?
What is a surprise? Tell me something.
I will tell you.
You need to tell me now.
Not now. Come
You know,
on.
I hate surprises. I hate surprises. Tell me now.
This thing not now, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I promise you I'll tell you. And I like the surprise. No problem, I'll tell you, okay?
See the weather. I want to. All this means from you.
Elewuku, Igbo Nketa.
Thank you so much.
If you,
Yes, dear.
I want to ask you something.
What is that?
Do you think I can be a good husband to you?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, moreover, you carry.
If you, what about my mother? Is she caring?
Huh? She's the best. What I know.
If you, thank you. I love Very soon. My child.
Oh, thank you.
Hey!
Ada. Hey, you are looking pretty these days.
Thank you.
Hey, how is your mother?
We are fine, ma.
Eh? Hey. Ah. Smart. I heard that you're getting married to Ikem.
Yes, Mama, it's true.
I'm happy. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
There's something I want to tell you, and it's because I have been your mother's childhood friend, and we like each other. You see, so I would not like anything bad to happen to you. It's not good for you at all. Can't you see how skinny he is? And look at how fresh you are. The mother is so lazy that he cannot even feed her own son. Not to talk of another person. Eh? Is that the kind of family you want to go into?
Mama, that one is not a problem now. No, but...
No, don't but. Eh? Have you asked yourself why the daughter of Uderonko did not marry him again?
Oh, that one is just a minor issue now. It's not something serious.
So that is what you think? It's not you. See, why she did not marry him again was because he is impotent. We all live in the same compound. And let us know that that boy has image. Yeah. Hey. So it's better you just walk away. Don't even come to that compound again. So the thing will not pass over to you. Hey. Yeah, where's the man going on? That's what looking for. Don't even allow it to come here. It smells. Sometimes you don't even consider the other. You're a fine girl. You don't need to wear that kind of dress. Another man will come to marry you. Another person will come to marry you. Leave it. Tell him you don't want to marry you. You don't longer interested. Like that.
Kiri. Yes? I'm confused.
Why would that woman do such a thing?
I don't know. I just can't tell.
She's so wicked.
I don't know, but it's true. It's true.
It's true. Why did you say so?
Gena is in a hurry to see my father. He has been disturbing me that he wants to see my dad. I don't know.
I want to see your father. Why?
That I don't know, but he said it's a surprise.
Surprise?
It's a surprise. That one is for him. Every day surprise. But where is the surprise?
Don't just conclude yet. Go and tell him what the woman said since you love him. Since you love him.
I don't want to lose him.
Understand you. Understand how you feel. Just go and tell him what the woman said.
I love him.
I understand. It's okay.
Oh, it's too much on me. It's too much. I just don't know what to
Take
do.
it easy.
I don't know.
It will be well.
I don't know if it's to leave him, break up with him,
Oh,
or...
don't think of that.
I
please.
don't know.
Don't think of that, okay?
I don't know.
Let's just go and confirm first. It's okay.
This relationship cannot hold. It can't hold. I'm not interested anymore.
Ada, why? What have I done to you?
Nothing.
You know I love you so much.
Ken, I know you love me. And I love you too. But this relationship cannot hold. It can't stand anymore. Understand it?
Please, I love you so much.
Why can't you understand? Even kneeling down cannot solve this issue. So there's nothing you can do about it. It's over between us.
What have I done to you?
Nothing.
Then, all this too. Ada, please. Ada.
Leave me alone.
Ada, please. I love you.
Ikem, it's over. It's over.
Are you serious?
It's over.
Ada.
Ikem. Why are you looking so unhappy? What is the problem?
Mama, I don't know what is happening to me.
What is it?
Mama, the girl I want to marry broke up. She said that she's not interested about the marriage again.
Forget about her now. Be a man. Thank God I found one for you. Ify, she's inside. Go inside, you will like her.
Mama, I love her so much. I can't just leave her like that. You know.
Forget about her. Okay? If she loves you, she wouldn't have done that. Okay? Go inside. You will see Ify. She will give you something to eat.
I don't
okay?
understand.
Oh, Mechame.
Ah! Mama. Mama came home. Mama, good afternoon.
Hey! You are greeting your stupid mother. Good afternoon. I hope all is well.
Mama, are you not my mother? You're my mother now.
Hey! I know you are looking for something. That is why you are doing. But let me tell you, your second name is fail. You have already failed. Did I go? Because you don't get anything. Nonsense.
Mama, please stop this. I am hungry. Is there anything in this house?
You are hungry. You are hungry. You know what? You are not eating anything in this house until you get married. Go and eat yourself. Hey, why?
Mama, please, just keep your food. I'm not hungry. You know, I only want to hire you. If you don't know. Mama, 042. Breno State called Obanema or Kemala.
Just look at him. In a high in can never tell you. I know, Mama. But eat sand. Want to eat? Come and eat me. Oh, God.